Have you ever wondered where food poisoning bacteria come from? Well, the answer might surprise you. These microscopic troublemakers have various sources, and they are closer to us than we might like to think. We, as humans, can unknowingly harbor these bacteria in our nose, mouth, intestines, and even our skin. A simple sneeze or touch can contaminate the food around us. That's not all, our surroundings play a part too. Raw foods like meat, poultry, shellfish, or even vegetables can be a breeding ground for these bacteria. Unwanted guests like insects, rodents, and other animals can also carry these bacteria to our food. Even the innocent-looking dust particles floating around can host large numbers of bacteria. And let's not forget about waste and refuse, which can form a festering pool of bacteria if not properly managed. Now that we know the sources, the next step is understanding how these bacteria get transferred. So, how do these bacteria find their way to our food? The answer is through various vehicles of bacterial contamination. Our hands, for instance, can harbor bacteria and unknowingly transfer them to our food, especially if proper hand hygiene is not practiced. Then there are cloths and equipment. These items often come into contact with food and can easily become carriers of bacteria if not cleaned properly. Similarly, hand contact surfaces like door handles, mobile phones, or computer keyboards can also serve as vehicles for bacterial transfer. Lastly, let's not forget food contact surfaces. These include cutting boards, kitchen counters, and utensils, basically anything that our food touches. If these surfaces are not cleaned and sanitized regularly, they too can become vehicles for bacteria, allowing them to hitch a ride straight to our food. As we can see, our everyday items can unknowingly become carriers of these harmful bacteria. This knowledge is our first step towards prevention.